Hey, hello, good family. Hope you all are doing good. Well, we are also doing okay over here. It's early morning over here, and I'm going to feed Queen and Queen's puppies. I hope they are over there because yesterday I didn't find Queen over there, and I left the food ball over there, and I hope she'll be there today because sometimes she goes over here and there, especially that side. There is a garbage area, as you know, that side. She used to go there to find out some food, and I hope today she'll be there. And I hope the food yesterday I left, she ate that milk and biscuit I just mixed together. And today again I'm going to give her the same food almost. Yeah, same food. You can see this is milk, and I have bought biscuits. And actually she doesn't eat any other biscuits except this one. This one is very sweet, you know, and very sweet means it comparison to some other biscuits. This one is sweet. Also she doesn't eat rice. If she would have eaten rice, then definitely I would have mixed milk and rice together, or yogurt and rice together. But she doesn't eat rice also, because initially I used to give her mixing rice and yogurt together, but she didn't eat, and that was wasted actually, those food, while I was mixing rice and yogurt or rice and milk. So pedigree, biscuit and this milk I'm just going to give her today. The light is on, I have to off it. Okay, so let's go. Early morning gives a very good vibes, and literally, yeah, the fresh air, good fresh air, and the chirping of birds, each and everything. After all, it gives a very good vibes. Oh, there are lots of monkeys over there. Oh my goodness, look at them. The small monkeys, also baby monkeys. I hope they're not gonna make any problems. For the puppies. Well, look at them. Hey you, what's up? You guys good? Good morning. Come outside. Did you recognize me? Come on, come on. Oh, they know me. Look at them. They're coming towards me and wagging tails. They have known me actually. What happened? What happened? What happened? What happened? It's okay, okay. They've come outside after seeing me. Means they have known me now. And they are friendly, extremely friendly. Oh, the monkeys are... Okay, wait. Okay, you guys come this side better. Come on. Hey, there's a monkey. That'll be really risky. Okay, I'll take them over here better. Come this side, hey, come this side. Come on. Where is their mama? Come this side. Come on. Oh my goodness. That is very problematic issue the monkeys are doing. There are lots of monkeys. Come this side. Come on. Oh. Come. Okay. What happened? Come. Oh, I hope the monkeys are not going to create any kind of problems for the puppies. There are lots of monkeys actually. The whole tree. Okay, hey, come on, it's okay. The whole tree is full of monkeys. Look at that. What happened? What's shouting? Come on. You want some food? Look at them. It's being so risky, you know, for the puppies. I don't know. Hey, Look at that. The monkeys are trying to come over here. Okay. Why she's crying? Hey, come this side. Okay, I'll bring him over here. Okay, come on. It's okay. Don't cry and come. Oh my God. These monkeys are going to be very terrible. And this is a small monkey. I go inside better. Go inside. Look at them. What happened? Come. See how they're playing, and these people are creating problem. Not creating actually, but there is a risk of creating problem. You know, they may create problem. I hope they will not create any problem for the puppies. Oh, there's one, and he's looking for foods. You know. Oh my goodness, this is terrible. And I don't know where's the mama doggy. And yesterday I just left the biscuit and milk along with a ball. I don't know where's the ball. The ball is not over here. Someone has taken, I think. Or what happened to the ball? Let me check out if there's the ball or not. No, the ball is not over here. Okay, I'm not gonna leave the ball because you know people are taking the ball. That is so terrible. Okay, you come. Come on. Oh, look at that. Look at them. They're listening to me. And this. Oh, I don't know why there are lots of monkeys and none of them are going back. Look at them. Everywhere. You can find everywhere the monkeys. And I hope they're not going to create any kind of problems. And even, you know, if I take out the monkeys, then they may create problems. Means they may try to get the biscuits and milk and all. That could be problem. And they're playing with me. Come on. Look at them. This is a big one and this is a small one. Okay. Come on. Come here. Okay, they're hungry maybe, that's why they're crying, but okay, I hope there'll be no problem. Come on. I'll give you some milk. Oh, look at that. Look at him. Wait. Come. Hey, come on, you also come on. These monkeys are going to create problem, I guess. Oh, it's having. Hey, you also come. Come on. Both of them are very much hungry, it seems, and they are having milk. You know, the people, the neighbors over here, they're trying to chase away all the monkeys, because there are lots of monkeys, and sometimes the monkeys creates a lot of problems for the neighbors or for the people, because they take away the things, or they poop over there in front of the house, or they just create so many problems, and that's the people are trying to chase away them. And I don't know where is Queen. She didn't come today again. Yesterday also I didn't find her. Hey, look at that. I have to go soon. After keeping Jack and John inside under the car, I will go back soon. Otherwise, the monkeys may create a lot of problems. And they are very hungry, it seems. Let me try if they eat pedigree or not. You want this? You want this, honey? Try once. Hey, what happened? Why he's vomiting? Okay, not vomiting actually. Maybe he had a lot of milk at a time. This one is having good appetite, and he likes to eat always more. You want this? 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 Take it, take it, take it. Take it? No, they don't like having pedigrees. They just like having milk. Okay, then have it as much as you want. I have to find out Queen, I guess, because I didn't see her. Yesterday even I didn't see her. Have some more, have some more, have some more. No? They're not getting it. Okay, come on, come on, come on. Well, let me go to Tina's family, and I hope I will be able to meet them today also. And if I do not get them, if I do not see them, then definitely I'm not gonna record anything, because yesterday I didn't see them, and I have already told you what happened over there. And hopefully, I hope all of them will be there. All of them will be coming back. I wish if they could eat pedigree, then it would be good actually, because pedigree is having so many nutrients and all, right? Try it, try it. Try this, try this. He's trying. He's chewing already. He's eating. Look at that. Oh my God, he has eaten. And he's liking that also. You also try once? You also try? Try this. Try this. Oh, it's okay, wait. He has eaten one and two pieces of pedigree he has eaten. No, one has eaten, another one he has thrown. On this. You try once. Try once. Hey, don't bite. Okay, I'm going back and I'm taking back this ball, because yesterday I have put on ball, and that is not over here. I don't know whether the mama doggy has eaten the food or not, and where she has gone actually, that is terrible. Oh my god, they're eating again. Look at the sound, the way they are drinking, they're having milk. And this one is having pedigree. He's chewing that. He's not able to chew. Okay. Is it okay? No, he's having more. He's healthier comparison to that one. He's healthier much more. He's also healthier. He's not skinny, but he's the one who eats. He's having good appetite. He's playing. He's being so friendly, and right now they know me very well. If I come over here and if they get the smell of mine, or if they get to hear my voice, then immediately they come to me, and they become very friendly. I'm so glad that they have become my friend. Alright, I'm just going back. You guys be over here, okay? Not don't get any higher. Okay, stay here. And let's go. I will try to find out the mama doggy. If I find, I will give her the milk and biscuits. Otherwise, let's see. Okay.